Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to transfer USDC from your Ledger Nano X to Crypto.com in 2025. If you're into crypto, you know how important it is to move your assets securely and efficiently, especially with the evolving landscape of digital currencies. This step-by-step guide will help you do it smoothly, whether you're preparing for trades or just managing your portfolio. First things first, make sure you're all set up. You'll need a Ledger Nano X device with USDC already in your wallet, a computer or mobile device to connect it, and a verified Crypto.com account. Oh, and always double-check that your ledger is updated to the latest firmware for security reasons. It's 2025, after all, and cyber threats are no joke. Let's dive into the steps. Step 1. Connect your Ledger Nano X to your computer using the USB cable and open the Ledger Live app. If you haven't already, install the Ethereum app on your Ledger since USDC is an ERC20 token. Once that's done, unlock your device with your PIN. Step 2. In Ledger Live, go to the Accounts section and select your Ethereum account that holds the USDC. Now, hit the Send button. You'll need to enter the recipient's address, so switch over to your Crypto.com app or website. Log in, navigate to your wallet, and copy the deposit address for USDC. Make sure it's the correct one to avoid any mishaps. Step 3. Back in Ledger Live, paste that address into the recipient field. Double-check the amount of USDC you want to send, and don't forget to review the network fees. USDC typically uses the Ethereum network, so gas fees might apply. Keep an eye on those to avoid surprises. Once everything looks good, confirm the transaction on your Ledger device by checking the details on the screen and approving with your PIN. After you hit send, the transaction will be broadcast to the blockchain. This might take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Once it's confirmed, check your Crypto.com account to see your USDC arrive. Pro tip: always verify transactions on a blockchain explorer like Etherscan to ensure everything went through securely. And there you have it. That's how you transfer USDC from your Ledger Nano X to Crypto.com in 2025. Remember, security is key in crypto, so never share your private keys and use hardware wallets like Ledger for peace of mind. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video.